Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to make a death block in Roblox Studio. So firstly, after opening Roblox Studio, head to My Games and open the game you want to add a death block into. So I'll select this game. Now let the game load properly first. Now the game has loaded, as we can see. So now we'll head to the toolbox section, and under the models tab we'll search for death block. Now in here you will find a lot of death blocks, some invisible, some just a block, some spinning death block. I'll just select a basic one, so I'll select the neon basic death block. Left click on it, and when asked to add it, just click OK. Now the death block is in the game, so anybody who steps his feet onto this block will be killed in the game. You can change the color of the brick if you want to do that. Just head to the brick color section and select a color that you would want to give it to. I'll select this purple color. And if you want to take a look at the script, here is the script for the death block. So now let's test it out. Click on the play button. So here's the death block, and if we walk over the death block, we will be killed instantly in game. So that is how you can add a death block to your Roblox game.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.